So at the moment I've got a pattern here that is only 1 bar in length, indicated here by the LED for 16 is lit up. So if I wanted to extend this, what I would do is hold down shift and then press across till I get to 64, let go shift, and I know that this pattern now is 64 steps or 4 bars long. So as we scroll across to the different 16, 32, 48 or 64, you can see that it plays out through the pattern. So if I just stop that, put it into step mode, if I enter in a kick drum, let's start at bar 1, I will now have to go across to the second bar and put that same kick drum in, 4 to the floor on each bar. There we go. So if I now wanted to reduce this back down to 1 bar, all I do is hold down last step, change it from 64 down to 16, and then still holding down last step, press last step there, whoops, it's because I let go, start again, hold down last step, go across to the left to 16, and then press my last step as number 16 on the sequencer. So now we have got just 1 bar. So with the kicks now already put in before we extend the pattern to 4 bars, it will copy across anything that you've got on bar number 1. So if we hold down shift and then put it up to 4 bars again on 64, press play, it's now going through bar 2, bar 3 and bar 4. So that's basically how to extend a pattern or reduce it back. There are several other ways you can do this, but I find that this is the most simplest and easiest way in which to extend or reduce the length of a pattern.